are you guys doing here? Oh, we heard on Doll News that there was going to be a new visitor. And we found out it's Tiana's sister.
Oh, really? How nice. Anyway, let's get started. So where did you come from actually?
Oh, we came from Chicago.
Okay, nice. So we got our scissors here. Now we're gonna cut. But look, it also says some things behind here. Let's see. It's a winter disco. Yeah. And look over here. It says OMG, we are sisters. We can leave this part for now. And so this is what she looks like. Look, and she even has glittery makeup. Look at her eyes, it's like blue. And look at her braids, it looks so pretty. Look at her glittery pink lipstick. So let's see how it looks inside. Oh yeah, and we need a pin here too. Okay, got it. Oh my gosh, look at her! She looks so beautiful! Wow, let's open her up. That's the stuff that she has. Look at her! Wow, she looks so pretty. Let's take out this. Wow, look! There's something in here. Oh look, it's a bag. Yeah, because it shows a bag right here. You see it? Sis, I'm so happy to see you! Yeah, me too! Can't wait until you get out of that box. Well, you already did with the plastic. Now we have to take our scissors again. But first, let's see what's inside here first. Wow, look at this bag. It's so fluffy. It's like so soft. And look, there's even this clip thingy that you can just clip on. And you can put like a lot of stuff in here. Well, not a lot, but a few stuff in here. Like a backpack. Wow, that's so cool. And it's like purple. Look, it feels so fluffy. I like it. Now let's continue opening this thing. And she also has braids too. Careful not to cut one of her braids. Wow, I'm so excited to have these OMGs. Take her braids out here. There's something there. Okay, we got her out. I am free now. Wow. Look. Looky here. Doesn't she look pretty? Okay, now let's open her sister. She's been stuck inside here for so long. Oh, and look. It's like a changing room. Cool. Oh, and look, it has some information over here. Knowledge. I like my cocoa hot and my weather cold. My sweater's heavy and my snowflakes light. Nice. Snowlicious. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, now let's open this now. From here. Hey sis, and over here it says unboxing. And also look, when you turn her upside down, you can see her too. Now let's open her. And I think I got it. See, I opened it now. Woo. Let's get her out. She's tied on a bit. Ow. just need my hot cocoa and drink away. Just so you know, I'm Snow Angel. How you do? You must be really cold in there. Now look, she even has some other clothes and other surprises too. Oh wait, look under here. There's some things, instructions. We can use those later. Let's take her clothes out. Good. Now let's see in here. Hope I don't break anything. Wow! These silver bell bottoms. We'll put them on her. Goes in here. Woo! I like these. I look so nice. Yay. Can keep it right there for now. Now I can keep that. Time to get this one. Now this one, maybe it might have her shirt and stuff. Look at this! It's so pretty! Oh my god! Just go under here, move it a little bit. Let's take this out. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It looks so cool. Coming. Wow, look! This is her outfit. Supposed to take this off. Ooh, look! Look at her outfit. She can take this off and put this one on. And she can also put this on with the coat and this one with the coat too. So this is how her outfit would be. Well, I think we should... There's other things in here. It's so chill out. I guess she needs... Woo! This is their shoebox, see? Even has a size on there. Cool. Woo! Wow, look at these! They look so pretty! Oh my gosh. Look. I was like... Put this down. I'm unstoppable. Let's see in this box. I think this box has the accessories. Oh yeah, it does. Look. Whoa, she got a lot. Let's move these to the side for now. Ooh. Look. Wow. This girl loves bags. There's one over here and one over here. Oh, look, she has silver hoop earrings that we can put on. Just put them through the little hole right here. I think you can see it right here. One hoop earring in, and the other one will go in. All done with these hoop earrings. so overwhelmed that Tiana's sister came that he fell over.
Yeah, nice joke, princess.
Thanks. It's okay if it doesn't close. Maybe you can try and close it later. She can put it in her little baggie,
Which is closed.
I like my logo.
So you don't lose it.
Snowlicious. Princess, you know I won't. On the instructions it says to, after getting that first, we put it this one right here. That one didn't. Woo! Right here. This now, you can add this on here for it to sit down, but I don't want to let it stand. So you go near the waist, and then you put it like that, and then there you can style it however you want, and it won't come off. So now, she is ready. Back, please. Coming right up. Now, she's fashionable. And now I can drink my hot pumpkin. Now I'm about to go take some pictures. Make sure you smile. Yes, you will. And I will too. And it came with 25 surprises. See, look. Look at the mirror over here and the wardrobe too. I can't wait until I start playing with them. Wow, sis, it looks so amazing. Yeah, I do. Ooh, and I really like your nail polish. Why, thank you. It's like pink and silver at the same time. Friends, I really enjoyed dressing her Snowlicious up. And I can't wait until I play with her. So, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.